Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my 3 favorite free traffic sources that I use for affiliate marketing. And best thing of all is, you don't even need a website and you can outsource everything. But before I show you these free traffic sources, please like this video, and if you didn't already, please subscribe to my channel and turn all notifications on so you don't miss any of my new videos. With that being said, let me just jump in my computer and we are going to start. Let's say you did the research and let's say you decided to promote one of those web hosting companies. And first free traffic source for affiliate marketing that I like to use is Quora. For those of you who don't know what Quora is a question and answer website. And when you go on SimilarWeb and when you scroll here, you will see that last month in September 2020, Quora got 471 million visits. And when you scroll here, you will see that 40% came from United States, almost 6% from United Kingdom, almost 5% from Canada, and 3% from Australia, which means more than 50% came from highly developed countries. And when you scroll here, you will see that almost all traffic came from search and direct, which means this is a targeted traffic. And because we wish to promote a web hosting company, here in search bar we will just type best web hosting and click search. And here you can see all the related questions. What is the best web host to use? What is the best web hosting provider for personal website? What is the best web hosting? What is a good web hosting company? And so on and so on. And here you can see 254 people followed this question, 328 people followed this question, 370, 365, 224, and so on and so on. And you should answer on all of these questions and add your link. And let me just click on this first one, for example. And to answer on this question, just click here on answer. And leave as best and as detailed as possible answer on this question. Just like this guy, for example. And let me just click on more. And here you can see he gave a really detailed answer on this question. And here you can see he added links to the websites. And you can do what this guy did. You can add links with anchor text just like this, or you can add just one link on the bottom of the article. And just like I said, after you answer on this question, go back on Quora and answer on another question, and another question, and another question, and another question, and so on and so on. But big problem with Quora is they do not allow affiliate links. So you cannot add your affiliate link directly here on Quora. But you can use my second free traffic source to direct traffic from Quora to that another website. And second free source of affiliate traffic is called Medium.com. And on Medium.com, literally anybody can register for free and publish their articles. And when you go on SimilarWeb, you will see that in September 2020, Medium.com got 194 million visits. And when you scroll here, you will see that 30% came from United States, 4% from United Kingdom, and 3% from Canada, which means more than 40% came from highly developed countries. And when you scroll here, you will see that most of the traffic came from search results and direct traffic, which means this is a highly targeted traffic. And you should publish 100% unique and useful article on Medium.com. And of course, before you write your article, you should do a proper keyword research. And you should publish article something like this: how to choose best web hosting service for your new blog. And here you can see table of content. Here you can see what is a domain name, what is a web hosting, why is a good hosting important, and so on and so on. And when you scroll down, you can actually recommend your web hosting. For example, I'm using Wix.com, and yes, I fall for those YouTube ads. And I can tell you that I'm actually satisfied with them. And I will leave you a link in description to Wix so you can sign up for free and check it out. Do you like it or not? If you like it, then you can go on a pro plan. And as you can see here, Medium.com has a huge authority of 94 and 100 is the best. So if you do a proper keyword research and if you build a few backlinks to that article on Medium.com, that article will start ranking on first page on Google, and you will start getting traffic from Google, and you will start making passive income. And plus, you can start driving traffic from your Quora answers to your Medium.com article. And in that way, you will start getting traffic to that Medium.com article, and you will also create a few backlinks to that article, which will also help ranking on Google. So these are first two free traffic sources. My third favorite free traffic source for affiliate marketing is YouTube. And you can use YouTube to drive traffic to your article on Medium.com or to drive traffic directly to your affiliate offer, whichever works best for you. And just like on Medium.com, you should do a proper keyword research before you make your video. And you should be creative because competition on YouTube is huge. What I like to do when I'm making videos like this is versus. For example, Wix versus, and here you can see WordPress, Shopify, GoDaddy, Weebly, Squarespace, and so on and so on. And let's just test Wix versus WordPress. I will just copy this and I will use vidIQ to check it out, to check this keyword, and here I will just paste it and click search. Give it a few seconds, and here you can see 26, almost 27,000 people search this keyword on YouTube. Wix versus WordPress. Competition very low, only 13. Overall score 72. So this is actually a really good keyword. And you can do this for all of these keywords. You can do this for Wix versus Shopify, Wix versus GoDaddy versus Weebly, Squarespace, and so on and so on. Let me just click on this, for example. And here you can see this video got 183,000 views, 3,900 views, 42,000 views. But you should not expect that these kind of videos will get thousands and thousands of views. They usually get just a few thousand views, but that is actually not a problem. And most of these videos, as you can see, are really simple. Let me just click on this video just to show you. And let me just play this video for a second.
Trying to decide between Wix or WordPress? These popular website builders take...
As you can see, this is just a graphics, and when you go further, you will see it's just a screen record and voiceover. Really simple video that literally anybody can do. And like I said, most of the times these kind of videos are not getting thousands and thousands of views. They're most likely get just a few thousand views, and that is okay. Because you will make Wix versus WordPress, and then you will make video Wix versus HostGator, then you will make video Wix versus Bluehost, Wix versus Shopify, and so on and so on. And then you will make GoDaddy versus WordPress, GoDaddy versus HostGator, GoDaddy versus Bluehost, and then you will make videos for Bluehost, and then you will make videos for HostGator, and so on and so on. And each of those videos will get you 5, 10, 20 views per day. And when you combine all of those videos, you will get 500, maybe even 1,000 views per day, and you will be making 5, 10 sales per day, and that is okay because web hosting is expensive, and you will be making at least $20 per sale. And 5 sales per day times $20, that is at least $100 per day. Totally free. And as you can see, these are simple videos. You don't even need to show your face. So literally anybody can make these videos, and you can even pay someone to do a voiceover for you. And you can even pay someone on Fiverr to make you complete video. So these are my 3 favorite free traffic sources for affiliate marketing. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.